Well, we already had a pond, but it was small and dark and dingy, and we wanted to improve it. I googled pond builders and found Michael Wheat. I had some specific ideas of what I wanted, but really I wanted him to come up with some ideas for me. So he came back with a plan and then went from there. The service was great. Right from the initial contact with Michael to the team coming, all of them were great. They were friendly, polite. We've got 3 dogs. One of them's absolutely obsessed with balls, and the team took their time to throw the ball for it in between building the pond, so it was like an added extra. It's just stunning. It's the first thing everyone says is wow. I like to come and sit out here with a cup of coffee and just sit and look at the fish, feed the fish and listen to the waterfall. I absolutely would recommend them, definitely, and we'd certainly use them again if we were looking to do something within the garden. Extremely happy, yeah, we couldn't be happier, yeah, love it.